Mr. Simpson is present in custody. This is the state of Nevada versus Orenthal James Simpson. I'll address Mr. Simpson first. Why don't you stand up, please, Mr. Simpson? Mr. Simpson, I have a criminal complaint before me. Have you received a copy of this criminal complaint?
Yes.
This charges you with the crimes of conspiracy to commit a crime, a gross misdemeanor offense, conspiracy to commit kidnapping, a felony offense, conspiracy to commit robbery, a felony offense, burglary while in possession of deadly weapon, a felony offense, 2 counts of first-degree kidnapping with use of a deadly weapon, both felony offenses, 2 counts of robbery with use of a deadly weapon, both felony offenses, 2 counts of assault with use of a deadly weapon, both felony offenses, and coercion with use of a deadly weapon, a felony offense. Mr. Simpson, do you understand the charges against you?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Simpson currently is being held without bail. Are we planning to address bail today?
Yes, Your Honor, and I'll let Mr. Rogers make the announcement for the court.
Judge, right now the defendant is being held without bail. Another court made that decision. As you are aware, the Nevada Constitution provides that all people charged with crimes, with the exception of murder in the first degree, are entitled to reasonable bail. With that in mind, the defense and I have entered into a stipulation. We'd ask the court to accept the stipulation, and it is as follows. Mr. Simpson will post $125,000 bail cash or surety. The conditions of his bail are that he will surrender his passport to his attorney within 24 hours, that he will have no contact with the witnesses, victims, or co-defendants in this case.
I'm willing to follow the agreement of the parties, the stipulation entered into by the District Attorney David Roger and counsel for Mr. Simpson. Accordingly, bail is set on this case at $125,000 total bail cash or surety. As a condition, Mr. Simpson, there are certain conditions to posting bond here. You're ordered to surrender your passport to your attorney, Mr. Galanter. Additionally, you're ordered to have no contact whatsoever with any co-defendants named in this case, any potential witnesses named in this case. These witnesses include any named victims in this case or any other potential witnesses. Do you understand that order?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Simpson, by no contact, I mean no direct contact, no indirect contact whatsoever. If you see them, you're to avoid contact. If you see them walking down the street, you're to cross the street. You're to have no indirect contact. You're to not use any means to contact these individuals. Don't use email, telephone, mail, passenger pigeon, no whatsoever contact. Now, you're to have, obviously, you can travel. Where do you live, Mr. Simpson?
I live in Miami, Florida.
You're allowed travel in the continental United States. Obviously, you'll have to travel back to Las Vegas for court. You understand the no contact order includes having third parties contact any of these individuals on your behalf. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Obviously, a violation of any of these orders would be a violation of your release in this case. I will be made aware by the district attorney of any violations, and we can proceed with you in custody on this case if you violate this order. Do you understand everything?
I do so, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. We'll let counsel know.
Remain seated. Court's adjourned.
Simpson.